Hey, what's up guys? So in this video, we will see how to set password on any app on the Samsung Galaxy A36 or the A56. Now to do that, just open the Google Play Store and in the search bar, just search this. Then install this app. Now just tap on open. Now if you tap on 6-digit PIN, you can select your password type. You can select between a 4-digit PIN, a 6-digit PIN, or a pattern. I will select the 4-digit PIN. Now just enter your PIN, then tap on create. Now just enter your PIN one more time to confirm your PIN. Then tap on save. From here, tap on understood and tap on permit. Now just enable this toggle, then tap on permit and select allow. Now just tap on permit and enable this toggle. Now just tap on take me there. Now just tap on OK. Now as you can see, these are all the apps on your smartphone. Now to lock the apps, just tap on the lock icon in front of the app icon, just like that. Now to find the locked apps, just tap on locked and you will find all the locked apps on your smartphone. Now if you go to your home screen and open any app which you have locked, it will ask you to enter your PIN, just like that. And this is how you can set password on any app on the Samsung Galaxy A36 or the A56. Make sure to like, comment and subscribe. Thank you for watching.